decide, what's going to be my song this 2025. Kasi kung minsan, ano nga ba yung lagi ko kinakanta sa Winner Ka Pinoy, yung kung hindi ngayon ang panahon na para sa iyo, di hindi, di ba? Subok ulit. Meron pa naman next time, di ba? And this is the next time we've been waiting for. Dear friends, there's no time check. It's 11:30 in the morning at nandito pa rin po kayo sa inyong paboritong programa tuwing linggo na paborito ko rin, Winner Ka Pinoy sa DZXL 558 Manila. Paki-like nyo naman po and follow DZXL News sa Facebook, sa YouTube, sa TikTok, and sa may isa pa, I forgot, Twitter, I think. Ayan. Alright, so, music. Na-imagine nyo po ba ang buhay kapag walang music? Walang kanta, parang ang lungkot, no? If there is no music, if there's no melody. In fact, siguro, kunyari, wala po talagang kanta. Alam niyo po ba na, pag wala talaga kahit siguro yung hangin will become a melody to our ears. Kahit na yung rustling ng dahon, kunyari, humangin, tapos, kasi nung bata ako, ganun, wala naman radyo nun. Yung pagtama ng hangin sa dahon becomes music. Right, dear friends? Minsan, pati yung pagtawa ng anak mo, ng minamahal mo, becomes music. And if we take a look at music, any song, kanta, kahit ano pa yan, nakanta, meron talaga siyang kwento. Right, James? I'm sure you chose that song because it resonates with you. Na parang, this song really reflects my life as well. Kasi bawat kanta talaga, hinugot talaga yan sa totoong buhay. Diba? There's this nice song. Sayang, interviewon ta ka someday, para hindi naman ako mukhang kawawa. Kinakausap ko sarili ko. Anyway, there's this nice song. Panahon natin, diba? Hindi itong Chiquitita, tell me what's wrong. Hindi, itong isa pagid nga aba. Thank you for the music. There's a song by, tama ba? Aba nga ba yun? Entitled, Thank You for the Music. Yeah. Thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. So, sige na po, padalhan nyo na ako. Parang sabi sa kanta, who can live without it? I ask with all honesty, what would life be? Without a song or a dance, what are we? So I say, thank you for the music, for bringing it to me. Thank you for the music. So, come on dear friends, share with me kung ano ang himig ng buhay ko ngayong 2025. Sabi nga ni Plato, music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Music gives life to everything. Totoo yan. Kaya may mga association yung mga kanta di po ba? Parang may mga kanta na pag narinig mo, maalala mo yung high school graduation. Right? Ano yung mga naaalala niyo sa high school graduation? Mga kanta na, we are next in line. Diba? Yung mga ganong kanta. May mga kanta na even during birthdays, there are songs associated with occasions or events. So, ikaw din, kailangan pag narinig mo yung kanta na yan, maaalala mo na, that is my song. That is my song.